Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome to Allu Srinivas Math class. Now we discuss another type of partial fractions. So in this method, denominator contains non-repeated linear factor, that is x minus 2, and a repeated linear factor, that is x square. X square is also repeated linear factor. It can be written as also x plus 0 whole square. Let us solve this problem. Okay, x minus 2 is a non-repeated linear factor, contains one constant. X square is a linear factor, contains two constants. So let us write the parts existing of the partial fractions. 1 by x square into x minus 2. X square is a repeated linear factor. It contains two constants, that is a1 by x. It is also written as x plus 0 whole square plus and a2 by x square. X minus 2 is the non-repeated linear factor. It contains it exists one constant, that is b by x minus 2. So then we have to find a1, a2, b values. a1, a2, b values. So we take LCM of three fractions. The LCM is, x square into x minus 2. So if this is divided by x, so a1 times of x into x minus 2, and also x square cancel, and a2 times of x minus 2 plus x minus 2 cancel. If this is divided by x minus 2, and you get b times of x square, as well as write the LHS 1 by x square into x minus 2. So just observe, LHS equal to RHS, the both denominators are cancelled, and then you get 1 equal to cancel, and remaining 1 equal to a1 times of x into x minus 2 plus a2 times of x minus 2 plus b x square. So let us call as equation 1. Equation 1. So we have to observe only two linear factors in this problem. So let us take first one, x square, and x also. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Substitute in equation 1. One equal to, and a1 times of 0 is a1, 0 times, and a2 times of 0 minus 2, and b times of 0, and then finally 1 equal to 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 sent to RHS side, then a2 equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the required value. Next we have to find remaining two values. So next we take another linear factor x minus 2. Another linear x minus 2. Put x minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 send to RHS set, then x equal to 2. Substitute in equation 1. So then 1 equal to a1 times of 2 minus 2 become a 0, then a1 times of 0, and a2 times of 2 minus 2 is a 0, and b of, and 2 square is a 4, and then finally 1 equal to 4 into b. 4 sent to LHS side, then b equal to 1 by 4. This is the required value. Next we have to find the another value is the a1. So let us take any real number except already taken values, already taken any real number, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2 already taken, minus 2, plus or minus any real number we take for the third value. For example, we take 1, put x equal to 1, substitute in equation 1 for third value. 1 equal to a1 times of 1 into 1 minus 2 and a2 times of 1 minus 2 and 1 b times of 1 square is 1, and b and a2 value substitute in this. 1 minus 2 is a minus a1, a2 is minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 2 is a minus 1 and b is a 1 by 4, and then simplify. 1 equal to minus a1 minus of minus plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus a1 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 in the LCM is a 4, 2 plus 1 is the 3 by 4. 3 by 4 sent to LHS side. 1 minus 3 by 4. LCM of 1 minus 3 by 4. 4 minus 3 is the 1 by 4. And minus sent to RHS side. A1 equal to minus 1 by 4. So both the values have been determined. A1, A2, B value. So A1 replaced by minus 1 by 4, B replaced by 1 by 4 and A2 replaced by minus 1 by 2. Substitute in the standard form of in this form. So substitution, and finally minus 1 by 4 of by x and minus 1 by 2 by x square, 1 by 4 by x minus 2. This is the partial fractions of the given rational fraction. So in this way we can find out the partial fraction for the given rational fractions. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Maths class. Now we discuss another type of partial fraction. The type is type 2. Now let us solve type 2. The first problem, resolve 9 by x plus 2 whole square into x minus 1 into partial fractions. In this method, denominator contains non-repeated linear factor and also have a repeated linear factor. X minus 1 is a non-repeated linear factor. X plus 2 whole square is a repeated linear factor, that is a 2 times x plus 2. In this problem, type 1 and type 2 both simultaneously we have to use. So what are the partial fractions can exist for this problem? Let us see. X minus 1 is the non-repeated factor, there exists a 1 constant. X plus 2 whole square is the repeated factor, there exists a 2 constants. So now let us write. First let us write the parts existing the partial fraction. 9 by x plus 2 whole square into x minus 1. X plus 2 whole square is a repeated factor, there exist 2 constants, that is, first one is a1 by x plus 2 and a2 by x plus 2 whole square. And x minus 1 is the non-repeated linear factor, there exists a 1 constant, that is in the form of b by x minus 1. Here a1, a2, b is a constant, then we have to find out the 3 values. A1, A2, B. So we take LCM of 3 fractions. The LCM is x plus 2, we take LCM is x plus 2 whole square and x minus 1. If this is divided by x plus 2, you get a1 times x plus 2 into x minus 1 plus, if this is divided by x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square cancel, then you get a2 times x minus 1. If this is the divided by x minus 1, you get x minus 1 cancel, and b times x plus 2 whole square, and write LHS. Both denominators are equal and then cancelled, and the remaining term is 9 equal to a1 times x plus 2 into x minus 1 plus a2 times x minus 1 plus b times x plus 2 whole square. So let us call equation 1. We have two linear factors in this problem, x plus 2 and x minus 1. Let us take substitute x plus 2 equal to 0. Put x plus 2 equal to 0, and then plus 2 send to RHS side, x equal to minus 2. Substitute in equation 1. And then 9 equal to minus 2 plus 2, a1 times 0, and a2 times minus 2 minus 1, and b times minus 2 plus 2 becomes a 0. 0 whole square is a 0. And then finally 9 equal to minus 2 minus 1 is a minus 3 a2. Finally a2 equal to 9 by minus 3 equal to minus 3. This is the required value. Next we take another linear factor, x minus 1. Put x minus 1 equal to 0, and minus 1 sent to RHS side, then x equal to 1. So substitute in equation 1. So 9 equal to 1 minus 1 become a 0, a1 times of 0, and 1 minus 1 a2 times of 0 plus b of 1 plus 2 whole square. 9 equal to 1 plus 2 whole square equal 0, 3 square is the 9b, and then finally b equal to 1. In this problem linear factors is over, but we have to find the another value, a1 value. So we take any real number except already taken values. So we take any real number. Let us take in this problem, put x equal to 0. Substitute in equation 1 for third value. 9 equal to a1 times 0 plus 2 is a 2, 0 minus 1 is the minus 1, a2 times 0 minus 1, b2 times 0 plus 2 whole square is a 4, and then simplify, minus 2a1 minus a2 plus 4b. Known values substitute in this problem, where a1 is, this is a1 is the required value, a2 is minus 3, minus of minus plus 3, b is 1, 4 times of 1 is a 1, 4 plus 3 is the 7, send to LHS side, minus 2a1 equal to 9 minus 7. So then finally minus 2a1 equal to 2. minus 2 a1 equal to 2, a1 equal to minus 1. So this is the required values for this problem. Substitute in a standard form. 9 by x plus 2 whole square into x minus 1 equal to, where a1 is minus 1 by x plus 2 and a2 equal to minus 3 by x plus 2 whole square, where and b is 1 by x minus 1. This is the partial fraction of the for the given rational fraction. Thank you.